And this area is the volleyball for the handicap. Wala. Yeah. There's some entertainment for the children here. Up. Up. Maybe they will hit me. Have to go back. Yeah. This is the activity that they held. This is for the... Okay. Welcome to Bastille Paris. It's a sports day for the handicap. For the handicap. There is a very nice day. There is a sun. At least we profited the sun today. Here in Bastille. Bastille, you can go to Bastille by metro train. If you're coming from, for example, Place d'Italie, take line 5 and then go down to Bastille. Voila. And then from Bastille, you can go line 8 if you want to go to another connection area, but mostly just take line 5 direction. You can go down out Bastille. It's gonna be like this. See, today this is the sports fest for the handicap. This is the activity they're doing. Very nice. It's not yet ready for everything. There is a baskin here, which is not yet ready. And there is Escalade. Voila. Okay. Where's the sun? And in front of me, it's the Opera Library.